It's Attorney General Anthony Brown. I've been trying to talk to him for like 4 years. But we're in Annapolis now. This WBAL.
Look, I'm excited to be back in Annapolis with the Maryland General Assembly. It's opening day. A lot of difficult issues that we're going to deal with this year, starting with a pretty tight budget environment. But they're important issues around public safety, like juvenile justice and juvenile services, how we handle the spike in...
The press get a first-class hookup. The people get put in the background.
So that we can find a solution where, yes, we treat children with dignity and respect, even those who are engaged
You security?
in the system.
I'm Shorty. Nice to meet you. You know who I am? Why? How you know who I am? I'm popular? Thank you.
That's the way forward. So I look forward to working with the General Assembly on that and a number of others.
Any other big priorities?
Well, I have a series of legislative priorities. One that I'm working on with Jeff Wallstreicher, Senator Wallstreicher, is we have to hold gun dealers and manufacturers, I should say gun manufacturers and distributors, liable when the firearms that they sell into the marketplace, when they're used to do harm, and they're not taking responsibility, we need to hold the gun manufacturers.
You've been in leadership in Maryland for a long time. What do you really like where we are now compared to where it was when you got here?
25 years ago today when I was first sworn in as a member of the Exoneration, reflected on that this morning when I woke up. Things have certainly changed. I mean, I look at the composition of the General Assembly. We've got a lot of fresh faces and new ideas, a lot of energy and passion. What I really like is, even where there are disagreements, there's the ability and the opportunity to come together and find consensus, common ground, and move forward. That was true 25 years ago. It's true today. It wasn't so on Capitol Hill. One reason why I left. But that's the exciting part about Annapolis and what you see in state capitals around the country. That you're sent down here as citizen legislators to do a job. Our members take that responsibility seriously, and in 90 days, they get things done for the whole America. Happy opening day. All right.
Mr. Brown, can I speak to you now?
Sure.
How you doing?
Good. Let me just say this.
I
If you're going to speak to me, you've got to do it with respect. You really do, because I'll treat you with dignity and respect.
All right.
Okay, which means that when you and I are talking, I hope nobody interrupts us. So when I'm talking with other people, I just ask that you don't interrupt those conversations. So what you got?
All right, I sent you some information.
I've got 900 employees.
I understand that.
Hold on, you asked. I got 900 employees in the Office of Attorney General. Someone is probably looking at that paperwork. How can I help?
I'm looking for exoneration of the Supreme Court in the 2024 session. I was kidnapped by Scott Shellenberger in 2011.
Okay, without going into details now, because I don't, as an attorney,
go ahead.
I don't do these private conversations in public. What I can tell you is if you send correspondence to my office, we'll look at it. And to the extent that we have the authority, okay, to do something about it, we'll exercise that authority. And we'll let you know what we're able to do or not do.
All right, can I ask you another question then? Are public officials immune to prosecution if they commit criminal acts?
That's too broad of a question. What do you? Yeah. You got to narrow it.
But you don't want me to. You don't want. All right.
You got to help me here. No matter whether you're a public official or not, right? No one's above the law, right?
All right,
everyone needs to be accountable for their actions, whether it's criminal liability, civil liability.
You familiar with Emmett Till? Are you familiar with Emmett Till?
The history.
The history of Emmett Till.
Yeah.
Why he was locked up, incarcerated for just speaking to somebody. Well, I experienced that same thing, so that's where we want to go with this. I'm not Emmett Till. I'm still alive and breathing, and I want my rights protected. That's all I'm saying. All right? Fair enough?
Fair enough.
Fair enough.
Okay, welcome to Annapolis.